Today I have a pleasure to talk with Vüsal Khalilov, who is a Deputy Governor of the Central Bank of Azerbaijan. And Mr. Khalilov, what do you see as the biggest fintech opportunity for Azerbaijan over the next 5 years?
Thank you very much for the question. I think there are a lot of opportunities, and we can divide them into mainly two categories. Like one category is opportunities within the domestic market, and the second is opportunities which may arise from regional and worldwide opportunities. I think in terms of domestic, we can talk about the changing of the regulation. We're continuously happening together with the sectors. We closely work with FinTech Association. By the way, this association represented in this great event also, and this kind of a foundation for additional regional and worldwide opportunities. And the important part here is that FinTech solutions, they are mainly technological products and services, and they can be used not only in one market where they developed, so close connections with regional players creates additional opportunities.
Looking ahead, does Central Bank see Azerbaijan as a digitally enabled platform that connects Central Asia and Europe? And if so, what role does FinTech play in achieving this goal?
Of course, we can start with our geography. So we lie on this road between Europe and Asia. But geography is not enough. So we need economical stability, which we have, and we have financial stability. And at the same time, the most important thing for hub is trust. And our trust for our financial system is approved by international rating agencies. So that's why I think we have all potential to play this role as regional hub. And the role of fintechs mainly comes from their ability to identify faster business problems, to test hypotheses on these business problems, and bring solutions to solve them. We have common challenges throughout the central banks and specifically in our region, connected to cost of transactions, both domestically and cross-border transactions. I think this is one of the opportunities where fintechs can play a crucial role and enable this hub role of Azerbaijan.
Thank you so much. And as Azerbaijan deepens cooperation with Central Asia, how do central banks integrate their cross-border financial systems to facilitate more smooth transactions between Azerbaijan and the countries of Central Asia?
We have great relationship with all central banks in this region. We have several platforms where we have experience exchanges, we have practical working groups, and it's like ongoing process. We may observe rapid and very effective growth of national payment systems across the Central Asia and Azerbaijan. So I think there is a huge potential and opportunity. And what is the most important thing here is that when we talk about cross-border payments, it's not only about technological integration, but it's also problems of money laundering, it's problems of fraud management, and problems of cybersecurity. So we should enable these smooth transactions and keep all these risks secure.
Thank you so much. How is Central Bank addressing challenges and opportunities that come from digitalization, AI, financial technologies, while ensuring trust and consumer protection?
I think we can look to the digitalization and AI from different angles. If we look at it from the financial system angle, it's mainly we see it as accelerator. So it's accelerate both opportunities and challenges. If we come to the situation how central bank can manage this both innovation and risk. So we have several channels. One of these channels is regulatory sandbox, which is currently working in Azerbaijan, and organizations may apply and test their products in the areas when there is no regulation or regulation need to be improved. And currently we're discussing with our partners ability to make cross-border sandbox. Another part is, of course, governance. We introduced special governance for InfoSec and CyberSec. They introduced elements of IT governance, and currently we work closely with leading organizations to provide AI governance to the market. The most important thing here is to make this all innovation in a secure manner, to keep sovereignty and sensitive data protection. And of course, one of the most important things is talents. as central bank, together with Banking Association and FinTech Association, we support this part because this rapid digitalization and moving to AI solutions will require lots of engineers to make it happen, to get most value out of it. And that's why we support programming competitions. We provide several events within universities. We have FinTech Lab and other initiatives to support growth of the talent in this area.
Thank you so much, Mr. Khalilov. I have the pleasure talking with you.